Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to EC Engineering Hub. Let us discuss about some basics of network theory. First, we should know the difference between circuit and network. What is circuit? Circuit means it is a closed path. Network, it may or may not be closed path. It can be either closed path or open path. In the circuit, current I must be flowing through all the elements. Means current I must be flowing through all the elements of the circuit. In the network, current is not flowing through the open path. Means current is 0 here. Current is flowing only through the closed path. Circuits are building blocks of networks. Means in this network, it is a closed path. So it is a circuit. It is one block of circuit in the network. It is open here. All the circuits are networks, but all networks are not circuits. Some networks are may or may not circuits. Means here this network is not a closed path, so this is not a circuit. Let us discuss about some important notations in the network theory. These two notations are very important in network theory. One is source, another is sink. What is source? Source means current should leave this element, means which delivers the energy. Sink means current should enter the element which absorbs the energy.